Hi, this is Shushil. In today's video, I'll be explaining you how can you convert numbers to word in Excel in Indian rupees. I have a data here. Some numbers are there. I want this prices there. I would like to have it in words actually. For that, you can just open Google and once you type Google, just type your VBA code to convert numbers to words, rupees, and click over here. This link. So it will open this screen for you. Then just go down like this, scroll down, and just copy from here. Function is there, no? Function. This entire thing they can just copy till till here you'll have to copy till end function, and then press Ctrl C from your keyboard. Open Excel. Then click on Developer, Visual Basic. Click on this icon, arrow in user form, model, and paste it over here. Ctrl V. So the entire code is copied over here. Can close it. Close. So now if I type here equal to that is convert currency to English. See. Tap. Click on this amount A1. Close it. Enter. See. 1 lakh. This is 1,25,000. So it comes. See. So we drag it down. So I should get it for the others also. See. So for more tips like this, follow me and like my videos also, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.